Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, are you ready for review math jadi test second? Yay! Okay, number 1. These are the factors of 72, except we can check using division for each number in the options. First, we can check 72 divide 9. We get 8 and has no remainder. So, 9 is the factors of 72. Now, let's check 72 divide 12. We get 6 and has no remainder. So, 12 is the factor of 72. Then we can divide 72 with 23. We get 3 and it gives us 3 remainders. Next, the last one. 72 divide 36. We get 2 and it has no remainder. So, the answer is 23. Number 2. These are the factors of 35, except we can check using division just like before. 25 divide 1, we get 25 and has no remainder. Then 25 divide 2, we get 12 and we have 1 remainder. Next, 25 divide 5, we get 5 and has no remainder. And the last one, 25 divide 25, we get 1 and has no remainder. So the answer is, 2. 2. When 25 divide 2, it has remainder. So 2 is not the factor of 25. Number 3. The factors of 36 are, it's easy. We can just write the multiplication of 36. Start with 1 times 36. And then 2 times 18. 3 times 12. 4 times 9 and 6 times 6. These are the multiplication that product 36. So, they are the factors of 36. So, the answer is, it's D. Now is number 4. 15 times 4 equals 16. So, the following statements are true except, so, which one is not true? Well, 15 times 4 equals 60. We know that the number that we multiply are the factors and the product is the multiples. Multiples is always the bigger number. Okay? Now, we know that 15 and 4 are the factors of 60. So, which one is not true? 15 is a multiple of 4. Of course not. It's not the multiple. It's a factor. Right? Okay. So, that's the answer. Now is number 5. 12 times 3 is 36. So, the following statements are true except, just like before, we know that 12 and 3 are the factors and 36 is the multiple of them. Okay? Now, which one is not true? Yeah, that one. 12 is a multiple of 36. Of course, it's not true. 36 is the multiple of 12, not the opposite. Number 6. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. So, the common factors of them are 1, 2, 7, and 14. Yeah. Just find what are the common numbers of them. So the answer is A. Number 7. The common factors of 12 and 30 are, we can list the factors of 12, just like this. And then the factors of 30, these are, and find the common factors of them. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, and 6. So the answer is B. Bingo! Number 8. The common factors of 15 and 18 are, just like before, we list the factors of 15 and the factors of 18. Then find the common factors of them. Yeah, they are 1 and 3. So the answer is bingo! B. Number 9. The common factors of 50 and 25 are, list the factors of 50. We get this. And factors of 25, we get this. Then find the common factors of them. Yeah, it's 1, 5, and 25. So the answer is A. Alpha. Number 10. The common factors of 32 and 28 are, list the factors of 32 and list the factors of 28. Then, yeah, find the common factors 1, 2, and 4. So the answer is bingo! B. Now is 11. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. So, the HCF or highest common factor of them is, the common factors of them are this. Which one is the highest? That one, 14. So the answer is 14. Number 12. The HCF of 24 and 30 is, let's find the factors of 24 and then the factors of 30. Find the common factors of them and look at the highest. Yeah, 6 is the highest. So the answer is B. Number 13. The HCF of 42 and 18 is, list the factors of 42 and the factors of 18. Then find the common factors. Now look at the highest. Yeah, it's 6. The answer is Charlie. C. 14. The HCF of 40 and 25 is, write the factors of 40 Then the factors of 25. Find the common factors. Look at the highest. There it is, 5. So the answer is A, alpha. 15. The HCF of 28 and 70 is, write the factors of 28, here we go, and the factors of 70. Find the common factors, yeah, and find the highest. 10. Yeah, the answer is C, Charlie. Verse 16. These are the multiples of 8, except, well, let's write the multiples of 8. We know that 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. So, 18 and 23 are not the answer. Well, special for this number, we have 2 answers because of typo. Sorry, but for the next time, it should be only one answer for each question. Okay? Don't be confused. Number 17. These are the multiples of 11, except it's easy. The multiples of 11 always the twins number, like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and so on. So, which is the number that's not twins number? Yeah, it's 78. Pretty good. Number 18. The first 5 multiples of 3 are, well, we have to find the multiples of 3, not the multiples of 5. Keep focus. So, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. So the answer is C, Charlie. 19. The third multiples of 8 is, well, the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40, so on. So, the third multiples is 24. Yeah, 8 times 3, the third multiples. Number 20. The fourth multiples of 10 is, we know that the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. So, the fourth multiple of 10 is, yeah, 40. Number 21. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. So, the common multiples of them are 12 and 24. Pretty good. 22. The common multiples of 6 and 8 are, well, let's list the multiples of 6. We get this. And the multiples of 8, we get this. Then, what are the common multiples? Yeah, it's 24 and 48. Pretty good. The answer is A, alpha. Number 23. Based on Venn diagram in below, the common multiples of 5 and 9 are, well, if we're using Venn diagram, we know that the common numbers are in the middle. So the answer is, yeah, bingo. 24. The first two common multiples of 5 and 7 are, let's list the multiples of 5, here we go, and the multiples of 7. Now, find the common multiples. Yeah, it's 35 and 70. The answer is Charlie, C. 25. The common multiple of 3 and 9 are, list the multiples of 3 and the multiples of 9, and we can see that 9 and 18 are the common multiples of them. It's easy. Now is 26. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. So, the LCM, or least common multiples of them, is, let's find out the common multiples of them. Yeah, it's 12 and 24. Now, the least, yang paling kecil. Yeah, it's 12. So the answer is 12. 27. The LCM of 6 and 8 is, write the multiples of 6, here we go, and the multiples of 8, yeah. Now, what are the common multiples of them? Yeah, the least one is 24. The answer is bingo. 28. Based on Venn diagram in below, the LCM of 5 and 9 is, yeah, 45. Now is 29. The LCM of 5 and 7 is, well, let's write the multiples of 7, here we go, and the multiples of 5. And the least common multiple of them is, yeah, 35. Last one, 30. The LCM of 3 and 9 is, well, list the multiples of 3 and list the multiples of 9. Then, yeah, the least one, the smallest one is 9. Pretty good. Well, I hope you understand about my explanation about the review. Thank you so much. Good luck for your daily test. See ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.